On Tuesday, that beautiful band of thunderstorms already started to stretch all the way from the tropics over our neighboring countries, the Northern Cape, spreading eastwards over northwest the Free State and the Eastern Cape, a few of those storms becoming severe. We are expecting the stormy conditions to continue the rest of the work week and the stormy weather moving a little bit more eastwards. So here's your forecast. So where's the rain going to fall on Wednesday? Our accumulated rainfall model showing we are expecting a few more heavy downpours in parts of the Free State, especially here over the Eastern Cape, as well as in spots over KwaZulu-Natal and in the Lowveld. Taking our model all the way to Friday, it's also clear to see we are still expecting buckets full of rain with more than 50 millimeters likely over 8 of the 9 provinces. And in the black dots over parts of the Free State, the Eastern Cape, as well as in spots over KwaZulu-Natal, that includes the northern coast, as well as the Lowveld, they could receive up until 100 millimeters in just 3 days. Our warning map stretching all the way to the Northern Cape, including northwest, a level 2 warning for the Free State, the Highveld, as well as the Lowveld, but an orange level 5 warning in place for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Continuous rainfall will most likely lead to widespread flooding in places. Our rainfall probability map is showing scattered showers and thunderstorms expected on Wednesday in the Northern Cape, northwest, becoming widespread over the Free State, this area in the Eastern Cape, as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And also a tropical low will bring continuous rainfall for parts of Mozambique, as well as the Lowveld and along the escarpment. But it's dry in the west. That's most likely the only place it's going to be dry on Wednesday. Sunny and hot in Cape Town. Later that southeaster picking up with a high of 30 degrees, 29 in Hermanus. Partly cloudy skies, light rain possible in the Garden Route, mid-20s expected. It's a cooler day in Beaufort West as well as large parts of the Karoo, as a thick band of showers is expected to stretch all the way from the Northern Cape into the Eastern Cape and also becoming stormy over northeastern areas. Continuous rainfall likely due to a coastal low expected to also result in this onshore flow and stormy weather moving over the wild coast. Mostly cloudy skies for KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated thunderstorms becoming scattered to widespread in places, and also a southeast expected along the coast. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for Mpumalanga. More showers expected in the Lowveld and a few thunderstorms over the Highveld. More continuous rain in the Lowveld as well as over the escarpment. Partly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms in the Bushveld as well as over the southern areas, but a band of showers and thunderstorms stretching over large parts of northwest on Wednesday, slowly spreading eastwards, and more rain bringing much needed showers to large parts of the province. In the Northern Cape, an onshore southwesterly wind and winds turning southeasterly over the southern areas. There's a likelihood that the thunderstorms could stretch as far west as Springbok, but most of the stormy weather here expected in the east, also spreading over large parts of the Free State. It's a cloudy day with rain on and off, and then later the stormy weather reaching Gauteng, 25 in Johannesburg, but only a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms over Pretoria, parts of Tshwane. Into Thursday, it's dry in the west, but more showers and thunderstorms over eastern South Africa. We've also got that coastal low sliding along the coast, will most likely reach KwaZulu-Natal, and if that happens, and continuous onshore flow could result in heavy rainfall, but we will keep a close eye on the system and give you regular updates. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.